this up. Get ready with this to your satisfaction. Get on to the next step. For the sauce, you'll need, I put in 2 teaspoons of garlic, but you can put in 2 or 3 cloves. In here, I have about a teaspoon of turmeric and about a teaspoon of ginger and about a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. But you can have it as hot as you want. All depends on what you like. But that's that. Then you got 1/3 cup of low sodium soy sauce. And maybe 4 or 5. Well, actually, it's the juice of one big lemon, big lime. I don't mind if I've seen a little extra. You got the sodium soy sauce. You got the 2 cloves or so of garlic. You got the juice of a lime. Oh, and almost forgot. Put in the 2 teaspoons of honey. And this is not in the recipe, but I put in a 1/4 cup of sesame seed. And that's it for the sauce. Stir it up, and then you're going to the next step. Hi, I'm Jason, and I want to thank you right there for taking the time out of your busy schedule to come to my channel and watch videos. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. Maybe if I'm a very lucky person, maybe I will see you on the next video. So what I do, you bring it to a boil, you put in your ramen noodles. I prefer the flat ones. You put in your ramen noodles, and I boil it for 2 minutes. Then I turns off the heat, and I lets it set for the next minute. You strain it, and then you put that in the bowl of sauce and mix it all up, and then you put in the rest of the stuff that's prepared. And here she is, folks. Isn't that beautiful? I tell you, you're not going to be disappointed with this recipe. It tastes delicious. So enjoy.